Alright, so welcome to Rarebot scripting video number 5, and this video is basically on sleep statements and Antiban. So open up the script you made from the video last time and go down to your mining method, and where it says rock.interact mine, or if it was tree.interact chop, and here I already added this. This is just a sleep statement, and basically what it means, it will be idle for 1.2 seconds after clicking the rock. So it won't do anything at all, since 1000 equals 1 second. So if I were to change it to say 2000, that would mean it'll be idle for 2 seconds. And these are really necessary when making scripts. Otherwise, it would just click every millisecond or whatever your return statement is set to, and it could lead to easy detection of it being a bot. Okay, so what we can further do to make it a better anti-ban for this script is to randomize the amount of sleep time. So inside the parentheses, write random and add parentheses around the integer, and we just need another number, so let's just say 1200. So basically what it would do is it would sleep for a random amount of time between 1.2 seconds and 2 seconds. Okay, now to add a stronger anti-ban, you have to create a new method, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call mine anti-ban. And inside the method, you have to create an integer, so int, say, I'll just call mine anti, and give it a value which has to be a random. So I'll add, in brackets, I'll add say 0, 30. For a higher anti-ban, you'd have this to maybe about 15 or 20, or if it was a low anti-ban, you'd have it about 40. But I'll keep in mind about medium. And then here you want to add a switch. This inside the parentheses should be what you named your integer, so mine was anti, so I'll leave it as that. Now you have to add case statements. So case, say if the number equaled 5, we would add a method here, so camera dot move randomly, and for the amount of time, so 1000 would equal 1 second. So we can even make these random, so random between maybe 1.5 seconds and 2 seconds, and then you have to add a break here. And now a new number, say case 12, and again colon camera dot set pitch, maybe. This again, I just like to make mine random, but you can also just add it to number. This has to be between 0 and 100, since it's a percent. And then you have to add another break, and you can go on as many as you want, but the more cases you have, the stronger the anti-ban is going to be. So also there's mouse methods such as, we'll say case 20, mouse dot like move randomly, max distance, which I think is in pixels, so say about 100. Break statement again, and now case, let's go up to 25. One of the ones I like to use is mouse.move off screen, and for this one you have to add a sleep statement. So say I wanted to stay off for 3 seconds, so 3000, and then another break statement. So add as many as you want, but make sure you add a default statement. Default equals break. So basically what that means is if none of these numbers are selected, it won't do anything at all. And now to implement the Antiban in your loop, just write Antiban.